Shit. Where the fuck should we start? Flea Lord? That nigga is a bad motherfucker. I mean, I can't keep up, dropping projects like every 3 hours. I done lost fucking count on how much shit he's released. Well, he said he was going crazy in 2019. Shh, he did that shit. Salute, Flea Lord. Keep this same fucking energy for 2020. Peace.
Coney Island, Far Rock. It's only bound to happen when real niggas combine. Tell the old lady in the lobby, mind her fucking business. We out here. Yo, fuck your life, fuck peace, and fuck unity. Fuck positive vibes in your online community. Fuck out of here. Go ask your bitch to console you. You popular online. In real life, nobody knows. Fuck you. I'm out here getting love in these streets. Watch a dyke go on strike soon as he touches the meat. These rap dudes not fucking with me. I knock niggas out with slaps like there's nothing to me. And my bitch move like the professional. Go get some milk. Probably slap some dick to a mother because that bitch a milk. My lawyer told me don't admit to guilt. Spent 40,000 on the chain. 10% of that'll get you killed. I'm hard fellow, you sweeter than marshmallows. This an AP. We don't do rollies from Marcello. How you think a $30,000 watch will cost you $6? You a stupid motherfucker. Suck a bag of dick. Yeah, let's go, Nems. Let's show these niggas how the fuck New York get down. From CI to the Rock, all boroughs, nigga. We Mobbin. Go out there and get to it, nigga. Ain't no time for being dusty. Yeah, Beloved. Lord, Lord. From CI to the Rock, yeah, we trying niggas' hearts. Get you jack for your whip and your ice while you bark. Grams in the building, how the slams on the children. Get you checked for baguettes, no respect for your feelings. Lord, I'm all in the street, none taller than me. Put 4 in your cheek, now you falling asleep. Smoking on God's plant and speaking the gospel. Squeezing the nostrils so your people can topple. Gorilla and the Lord gang, killer let your sword swing. 4 inside your peephole, once you hear the door ring. Lobby all pissy, mommy all tipsy. Toothbrush my scuffs, Lord, I'm trying to walk crispy. Glamour on my hip, even grandma on the strip. Selling pills and some pies, she be standing with a stick. Sitting on the crate with a pistol on my waist. Official on my ace, only liquor getting chased, motherfucker. That's all we know, motherfucker. Let's go. Yeah. Fuck your life. Yeah. That's right. We gonna get it any means, motherfucker. Any way, anyhow. Gorilla, Lord Flea. Live from the motherfucking boroughs. Every day is a grind. We start with nothing, end with it all. This for my niggas out there grinding, you heard? You know what the fuck it is? Coney Island. Fuck your life. Okay, Shay. I'ma bring him back. Lord, Lord. Went from sour apple, now laters. Now we after long paper, dawn neighbor. Crib was by the stairs, it wasn't on. Acres used to know who was getting rich by the kicks. Took flicks by the whip with your bitch by they hips. Couple fiends in my fam, tuck your cheese in advance. You be looking for your keys while they leave with your van. The ones who got jobs only know you when they broke. Wanna hold a little coke or some smoke, tell them no. Came up eating pigeon wings, white rice and kidney beans. You was on the sniffing team, black furs and limousines. Now I spit a vivid scene. Lower East, but I come from Queens, pistol clean. Low enough to make a fucking midget lean. Lord Flea loyal, let the raw sea boil you. If you just came home, I got a 4-piece for you. I'm nice with the hands, throw the ice on the yams. Got me home on the range like it's rice in a pan.
Positive vibe, but the shot is in my ride. Big product getting fried, we divide and we slide. I grew up eating free lunch with robbers on my side. Now I'm on stage, Ray-Bans on my eyes. I said now I'm on stage, Ray-Bans on my eyes. Let's go. Now I'm on stage. Couldn't take the back stairs, they were selling packs there. If you buy the 6th floor, you can smell a crack, yeah. Lobby full of dice games, body made your life change. Big homie, I'm just trying to live. Fuck a white range, songs for the struggle. Put it on when you bubble. It's hard to find peace when the wrong people love you. Lords is above you, free the Brody Duffel. You gotta stay ready, kick some soft niggas touch you. Fuck your life in the gram. I got homies in the jam, trying to make it home to fam, but they still don't understand the pot or the micro. The block going psycho, made 1100 quick. I just hopped off the bike, Lord. Ninjas in all white, deliver it all night. You stitching over months, I got niggas with all life. Pussy, huh? Why you talking? You snitching over months, I got niggas with all life. Fuck positive vibe, but the shot is in my ride. Big product getting fried, we divide and we slide. I grew up eating free lunch with robbers on my side. Now I'm on stage, Ray-Bans on my eyes. I said now I'm on stage, Ray-Bans on my eyes. Let's go. Now I'm on stage.
Fuck they know about it. Brown bag money. Flea law. Sons of rally. Hold up. I pour the champagne and spit on the coat. I got this shorty, she just wanna fill her nose with coke. She ride the tape and wave is flipping the boat. All these hustlers is looking broke every time we mention the quote. Damn, I dodged death so many times, I'll show you how to do it. Buckets caught the Holy Ghost, dipping and bombing, flowing. Hot sauce up in the ramen noodles. I used to shop up in the rain all the time, I was a common student. What you know about them cross-border trips, making foreign flips, youngins let it clip, wrists over Jordan kicks. My whole life a movie, it's like a horror flick. If their life was a movie, they got a boring script. I got the contraband, you off brand, I'm on my fucking shit. XD with the grips, all I hold they fucking with. In a city that's evil, I'm trying to keep it peaceful, but every morning smell like beef stew. Oh Lord.
Keys to the piano, got the keys to the crib. A kilo on consignment that I keep up in the fridge.
Oh Lord.
Blowing smoke holes in front of Popo. Youngins running logo while you going numb your nose hole.
Oh Lord.
Feathers for fly shit, selling hybrid. Always on go, I don't even close my eyelids.
Oh Lord.
White leg, tan leg, dark is all a go. Used to market off the blow, now we profit off the show.
Oh
My
Lord.
dimes go for 8, do my time in the States. Playing with my gang, I do designs on your face. Miyagi cutting trees, I'm in the lobby ducking D's. I'll probably cut your knees if you tried off with the cheese. You gotta be shitting me, my product be piffery. You tried to get slippery and dive with the grippery. Saga on the shirt while you swallow up a perk. Today the 18th, I brought my product for the first. Toronto in the rock, yeah we pronto with the shots. Fuck a pick 6, I hit my lotto in the pot. Then you know the handle, 10 toes, no sandals. Give a funk peace samples to the fiends, come and trample. Peruvian and Persian, my Uzi coming Birkin. Henny make a mouth wet, the music got it twerking. Caking up the Britney while you saving up a 50. My ego bought a kilo and he broke me down and chipped me. Got the keys to the piano, got the keys to the crib. A kilo on consignment that I keep up in the fridge.
Oh Lord.
Blowing smoke holes in front of Popo. Youngins running logo while you going numb your nose hole.
Oh Lord.
Feathers for fly shit, selling hybrid. Always on go, I don't even close my eyelids.
Oh Lord.
White leg, tan leg, dark is all a go. Used to market off the blow, now we profit off the show.
Oh Lord.
Let me smoke one for Jenny. In and out the building, she just copped 2 dubs. Now she moving up the streets like she don't do no drugs. You know I'm charged like I got 2 plugs. My phone litty, I don't do no clubs. Raw no fentanyl, pure dope on the scale. Catch me and I'm doing tours in all of the illest jails. Used to bring Jenny, but she act like a fiend. Son served her with the cream, and she crashed in the beans. Walk around twisted, she be asking for things. Get a dope in the coat from Manhattan and Queens. Took the way off her body, now it's snatching the dreams. You know the flow so dirty, but the package is clean. Buying up the bombs, Jenny tying up her arms. Along the rooftop, she be crying for her moms. Copping on some new shit, rocked her like a cruise ship. The D's came and found the half-naked lord with blue lips. Damn. On the logo, Jenny was cool. She started popping hands before finishing school. She should've read through the signs before she stepped in the streets. Instead of the bed, now she resting in peace.
They smuggle me in the U.S., conceal the rubber gloves, break me down in fingers to show the dealer some love. 6 grams for them, another 10 for him. Leave me raw, don't hit me, guarantee you gon' win. Have them leaning so hard, you think they sucking they own dick. Get knocked, no telling, homie, live by the code, kid. I'm usually running around with killers, lugging that chrome shit, or being cut up in the blender, going your nose quick. Fiends load me up like a pistol and shoot me. Seen Jenny ran away, she just copped her 2-piece. Straight to the veins, more bang for your buck. Every time you shoot me up, you be trying your luck. Heard the broad just dropped and build a 4 on the rooftop. Block hot, now we on to the next spot. Long as I'm around, I'ma keep the block poppin'. Don't mix me with the fentanyl, the bodies start dropping.
On the logo, Jenny was cool. She started popping hands before finishing school. She should've read through the signs before she stepped in the streets. Instead of the bed, now she resting in peace. Damn.
Drugs are menacing our society. They're threatening our values and undercutting our institutions. They're killing our children.
Put me up in the headphones, French. Hey, let's go.
Lord.
All I ever did was Moutier. Short on paper, nigga, not today. I got a lot to say, you could die today. I'm from dirty ass Fall Rockaway. We done lost stacks, we done lost change. I swear to God, we won't lose me. Got a trade pound and a Uzi. I call it there, mean 2-piece. We make it dark while the light shine. Got a nice iron while your wife crying. I save bread, I don't like buying. I'm outside like a fire hydrant. Bulletproof like Dolph Whip. Get your heart hit, don't start shit. Right in front of that market, I never miss my target. I rearrange your living room. You brought a stick, I got a bigger broom. Keep it G, I'ma sweep the street. Then run down on them niggas soon. Retired shooter like Kobe, nigga. Bought double guns, had a lonely trick. Better pass that if you owe me, nigga. Or I pull the knife out slowly, nigga. Champ for the people, stamped on the diesel. Pussy, so you gon' get jammed when I see you. I'm hands on, nigga, I'll blame some quicker. Outside boom to the grams going nigga. Ain't shit gon' change, money or the fame. I'm still gon' be the same with all my niggas.
All I ever did was hustle blow. Been a shooter, you already fucking know. Shoot a movie on your strip on Russell Pro. I'm from dirty east side Buffalo. Lost Shane Gun, we lost D Black. Matter of fact, almost lost me, but I bounced back and level way up. Get you pissed off, I just called Fleet. Get them off me. We was serving these drugs. Came from the bottom, the dirt and the mud, yeah. Connect where in front of us, we take all this bricks and we murder the plug, yeah. Kill every beat that I get on, that's just what I certainly does, yeah. I spent the bag with my jewelry, your pieces is courtesy of. Damn, somebody gave you a necklace. I spent the 60, I paid for my necklace. Nah, these ain't inside my guy. I spent a little more change for VS's. Yeah, look, I like them bitches that chocolate and thick. I ain't changing my preference. I fuck her at 4 in the morning and skate. I ain't staying for breakfast. Whoa. Machine won't hit her if she basic. I ain't even dropped my album on a major yet. Still I pull up in a spaceship. Still drop 20 on my bracelet. Yeah, I still be on that main shit. That's that hood you shouldn't play with. That get niggas bullets in their faces. Lord.
Feel like, even though I'm a dirty Fall Rockaway nigga, you heard? LES. Y'all call it a song, I call it target practice. We all in the streets, me, I'm just the smartest at it. When Shay get on the drums, the flavor getting slumped. Have you dancing around the crib and shit and waving different guns. Youngins letting bangers off, dumpers with the mango sauce. Police even stand down when we let them swimmers off. Pushing up some cauliflower, blick it up about $1. Holla holla, club nights, all the bitches crowd around us. Rolling up a chopper, digging out the ziplock, weak shot. Lay you down for playing around with hip-hop. Never on no dumb shit, clever on the drum kit. Pound up in the crib, Mac 11 on my young bitch, Lord, huh? Yup. Snyp Life, the chopper off the project stove. I had to let my feelings go like it was my hoe. Dripping like a loose pipe, tricking like a new bite. Ever since the Lord talk, a nigga had a new life. Sitting at the round tables, busting it up. Big bottles, hot food, and a couple of cups. It's like the weed man came with a Dutch. The shit's so smooth, it's like 100 a puff. Who is he? Mr. Louis Delgado, with a retail model, 100 G-cell follows. Paper like a secretary, stripes like a soldier. You hating like it's necessary, bite like a cobra. All my people's chant wave, nigga flee go flambe. Room so crowded, can't see the damn stage. Shit, you know it's always sold out shows when we perform. You know the room so crowded, can't see the damn stage.
Used to get consignment from the plug before I seen him with a budget. But the shit was already stepped on, I couldn't cut it. Still had the block buzzing, broke them down in the nuggets. 2 different night shifts, and the crack spot rugged. Yeah, my hammer loud bust in case these niggas start rushing. The 5th gotta kick it, start drumming like percussion. I spent your block twice, circled back and caught my first lick. Listening to stories about Fritz and how he worked bricks. How the fuck you glorifying Poe when he jerked rich? Even if he lied about the work, it wasn't worth this. The old school niggas you looked up to, they broke now. Bragging about how they used to get it, shit a joke now. The boy in the dope town, a bundle of cash. Got the girl on the other line, they sniffing it fast. Only hustlers can relate, these other niggas is trash. D-block, the heat cock, that's a gun in the mask. Flee. Know what I'm saying, my nigga? Real G shit. Yo, what up, beloved? It's that D-block mob shit, love and loyalty, and we always spit the hard shit. Still ride or die till we park shit. From the ground up, the pounds tuck, then we spark shit. All my niggas get it, flip the digits off the market. LOX, D-block mob shit, and we spit the hard shit. Still ride or die till we park shit. From the ground up, the pounds tuck, then we spark shit. All my niggas get it, flip the digits off the market. LOX, D-block mob shit, and we spit the hard shit. Hard shit.
Bouncing up on 3rd Ave, about to do a bird bath. Lord, Lord! Bouncing up on 3rd Ave, about to do a bird bath. Call my boy Uber, coke that nigga surf fast. Colors like a church glass, my gun make her purse drag. Look like you got a half a ton up in that bird bag. Hit him with the sweep of dough, make him more dirty. All my niggas born rich like Ace of Lord Worthy. Baked by 4:30, I'll be puffing the best. Strand is full of pain, make you tuck in your chest. Make you pull your money out and go and invest. Might as well get it poppin', boy, you stuck in the checks. Punching like a bunny rabbit, bucking, let your thunny have it. Think this shit a game? If you want it, nigga, come and grab it. Wrist on the Hall of Fame, blitz niggas on the blade. Thought he wanted war, pussy nigga, you just naming names. Huh? I thought the nigga wanted war, but just naming names. Yeah, we fresh off tour. You know that we fresh off tour. I used to breeze through the Ave, neat low in a cab. Line my fiends right up, they need another slab. Hit them with a jab, $250 a piece. nephews, uncles, aunties, and nieces. Everybody getting served raw slabs off the bird. Hit him with the dirty bird, then I gotta swerve. Got some leg in the pad, fire beats in the lab. French hit my line and said he need another bag. Okay, my nigga catch his flight to LA. Outside Inglewood, town called Del Rey. Venice Beach flow, get you 10 for D-Low. Boxed up neatly, plus a pretty red boat. That's a gift, motherfucker, you can thank me before. Courtside Laker game with the purple Dior's. We squeeze off the talents, we G's off of balance. We eat off my talents, I lead with no malice. Lord. Roll a chopper, get your paper. Roll a chopper, get your paper. Live your life, fuck a hater. Live your life, fuck a Raise your glass to your neighbor. Ain't gon' do it major. Raise your glass to your neighbor, Ain't gon' do it major. Roll a chopper, get your paper. Yeah, live your life, fuck a hater. Yeah, drinks to the skies. Salute to your neighbor, Yeah, salute to all your neighbors, Water with the vocals. I quarter flip the local, Leather in my fingers till my daughters get these snowballs, Lord, motherfucker, pass that chopper, Yeah, pass me. Yeah, man, I'm feeling good, man. Fuck it, man. Boom! You know I'ma end this off neat. Good Lord! I'm about to go on a tour run for that big crib and them long guns. More ones, add M's, black gloves, white mask. Black Benz, no new friends. Old war, 4-4, snub nose. Don't talk, motherfucker. You know the routine. Big nozzle on my seat while I'm blowing through Queens. No flag, you always paper boy. We go up in them jeans. Talking to your mistress, exposing all your schemes. She gave me the safe code. Boy, I took your pesos. Had you all taped up. You shoulda saw your face roll. Grind on the edge, caught a line from the leg. And all the girl wanted was some time and some head. Wine and some spread. Designer on the bed so low. The only ones that could find us was the feds.
She was doing it and doing it and doing it well. Had you setting fools up while your ass was in jail. Big food on the scale, burnt pots on the stove. Bitch was holding down the house when you was out on the road.
Shit, what she was doing? She was holding down them O's when we went out on the road. No Bonnie to my Clyde, just Delgado and Stella. She handled wild pressure much better than y'all fellas. Ponytail, sweatsuit, don't let the scat loose. I once heard female soldiers make the best troops. Babysitting, bartending, lady with the hard niggas. Had a couple close calls, ready take the charge with us. Married to the game, Lordy whole town loved her. Then she moved out of state and she settled with a sucker. Damn. Can't believe this shit. I said she moved out of state